Anthem. The term anthem refers to a song or hymn that represents a particular group, organization, or nation. It is often used to express unity, pride, and patriotism. Anthems are typically associated with national identity and are frequently performed at significant events such as sports competitions, national holidays, and political gatherings. The primary purpose of an anthem is to evoke a sense of belonging and inspire loyalty among the people who identify with it. It serves as a symbol of shared values, history, and culture within a community. Anthems are usually characterized by their uplifting melodies, powerful lyrics, and emotional impact. Here are a few examples of well-known anthems. 1. The Star-Spangled Banner. This is the national anthem of the United States. It was written by Francis Scott Key during the War of 1812 and is performed at various events, including sporting events and official ceremonies. Oh, say can you see, by the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming. 2. God Save the Queen. This is the national anthem of the United Kingdom. It is also used in other countries within the Commonwealth realms. The melody dates back to the 18th century, and it is sung to honor the monarch. God save our gracious Queen. Long live our noble Queen. God save the Queen. 3. La Marseillaise. This is the national anthem of France. It was composed during the French Revolution and is known for its powerful and revolutionary lyrics. It is considered a symbol of French patriotism. Allons enfants de la patrie, le jour de gloire est arrivé. Contre nous de la tyrannie, l'étendard sanglant est levé. 4. Advance Australia Fair. This is the national anthem of Australia. It was officially adopted in 1984 and reflects the country's history, geography, and values. Australians all let us rejoice, for we are young and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. These examples demonstrate how anthems can capture the essence of a nation or a group, evoke strong emotions, and unite people under a common identity.